Hello guys, Alex Grandpa here. I hope you're well today. We got Mazda CX-3 2016 model. Gonna show you how to reset the service light when the spanner comes on. So all you have to do is use this screen, and obviously the button's here. So if you press home button, it takes you to that screen. Then you have to scroll to applications using that selection. Go into applications and you're gonna have maintenance there. So press enter again, and then this is the settings you're gonna get. So go down, press enter again, and you got to reset there. Press enter one more time, move it to reset, and that will reset to 100%. So once you've done that, go back to the scheduled service. So go back there, and you can hit the reset there as well. So this just had the full service done. So obviously I've reset it now, so that's all good. But yeah, that's all you do. Oil change is sorted now, 100%, and your scheduled service is sorted as well. So tire rotation, obviously depending if you've done the tires or not, you'll reset it on there as well by pressing enter and doing reset, but I haven't done that, so I'm going to leave that alone. And that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.